Happy New Year 2021. Most of us celebrate New Year while going out, having party, fireworks and counting down the last few seconds. That's quite normal and universal. But have you ever thought why Danish people break plates in front of the neighbor doors in the New Year's Eve? Or why people carry empty suitcase in Colombia? Or why people eat 7, 9 or 12 meals in Estonia? Or why people throw furniture out of their balcony in Italy? We'll find out. Please stay with me. Hello everyone, my name is Ali and welcome to my channel Finding Places and More. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon not to miss any of my upcoming video. Now let's explore all the surprising New Year traditions around the world. Thank you. In Spain, one New Year tradition is to eat 12 grapes when the countdown starts to 12 midnight. One grape for each month to ensure prosperity. Sounds easy, but the challenge is you need to eat one grape with each bell strike at midnight. If you can finish them all in time, you will have good luck all through the coming year. The flavor of the grapes, whether sweet or sour, also predicts what the year will bring. This tradition is believed to have been popularized in 1909 by farmers in Alicante when the region had an exceptionally good grape harvest. If you come out of your front door to find a load of smashed plates, you might be confused. But that's what exactly Danish people hope to find after 31st December night, as it means good luck. So if you were Danish, you might go and smash a plate on a friend's doorstep to bring good luck over the next 12 months. It's believed that the bigger the pile of broken plates, the more friends and good luck you will have coming year. You pack your bag for a trip. In Colombia and some South American countries, they unpack, at least for New Year's Eve. You might see some people on New Year's Eve walking around with an empty suitcase. Some believe that this will bring their new year filled with travel and adventure. Everyone dresses in white, which stand for peace and prosperity. So if you intend to celebrate the New Year in Brazil, be sure to carry something white to wear. All along the Copacabana beach in Rio de Janeiro, people gather with small baskets of flowers and gifts for the ocean goddess of fertility and motherhood, Yamania. The gifts are set adrift. If the baskets don't come back, they are believed to have been accepted by the goddess, and your new year will prosper. In Romanian tradition, people dress up as dancing bears to chase away any evil spirits. This is because bears are special according to old Romanian stories, where bears are able to protect and heal people. Scottish people celebrate New Year in different way and they call it Hogmanay. There is one of well-known traditions is first footing. The first person to step into your house after the clock strikes 12 were a tall, dark-haired male with gifts like coins, coal, bread, salt and a wee drum of whiskey is thought to bring the best luck for the house. Finland has an innovative cool tradition. They like to put hot molten tin into a container of cold water and watch as the final shape forms after hardening. Then they try to interpret the shape of the tin and predict what will happen in the new year. A ring could mean a wedding, an animal means they will never go hungry, a boat or a plane means they will have travel and adventure. In parts of Italy, such as Naples, the motto is "Out with the old," where on New Year's Eve, it is tradition to throw old unwanted furniture out of balconies to symbolize a fresh start for the new year ahead. Although to prevent injuries, most locals just stick to small and soft objects for their throwing tradition, but still, it's a good idea to watch out while strolling the street of Naples on New Year's Eve. This custom is also practiced in Johannesburg, South Africa. An onion is the central character of Greek New Year's. First, it is hung on the front door on New Year's Eve to mark a rebirth for all. On January 1st, parents take the onion down from the door and wake their kids by gently tapping the onion on the children's heads. In the Philippines, New Year is all about money. Hoping to bring prosperity and wealth for the new year ahead, the locals believe that surrounding themselves with round things to represent coins will bring money and fortune. Therefore, they consume round grapes, keep coins in their pockets and constantly jangled, wear clothes with polka dots, among other things which are in round shapes. All this to keep the money flowing. New Year's Day is also characterized by Filipinos lighting fireworks and making a lot of noise to drive away evil spirit. At midnight, Buddhist temples all over Japan rings their bells 108 times to dispel the 108 evil passions all human beings have, according to Buddhism. Japanese believe that the ringing of the bells will cleanse them from their sins of the previous year. Traditionally, 107 bells are rang on the last day of the year, and last one, 108th bell, rang in the new year. Many people eat toshikoshi soba, specially made noodles for the New Year Eve to symbolize the wish for a long life. In Estonia, people strive to eat a lucky number of meals on New Year's Eve. 7, 9 and 12 are considered the most auspicious numbers. They believe that eating 7 times will yield the strength of 7 men in the following year. Popular dishes include sauerkraut and marzipan for dessert. However, this meal should not be finished completely. A portion should be left out for ancestor spirits who may be visiting on New Year's Eve. In Latin American countries like Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia and Mexico, your fortune for the year ahead is determined by the color of your underwear. Yes, the tradition holds that red will bring love, while yellow will bring wealth and white for peace and harmony. So, All the colors are basically chosen according to what the person's desires from the coming year. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I wish you a very happy new year filled with love, peace, good health and prosperity. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.